Good evening, folks. This is the one and only Marcel. This is Amtrak train number 14, code Starlight. This is your northbound train to Seattle on the Coast Subdivision. P42 DC leading off on this one. I think it's 169. No, P42 number 7 leads off. Number 7. P42 number 7. P42 number 142. 142 is the hybrid K5 LA horn on that one. Hello, y'all on YouTube. Y'all on YouTube. Have a safe trip. Y'all know you guys are running late. Alright, folks, there it goes. This train is going to Seattle. Number 7 used to be on the California Zephyr I rolled on a few months ago. And 142 is my favorite P42 with the hybrid K5 LA horn. Alright, folks, I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Alright. Cut it out. Bye-bye.